All right, it's summer and we are out exploring our local parks. We have come to the Chavis Park, which we've come here before a couple times, but they just renovated it. So we're super excited about checking this out. We got a picnic packed. Yep, there's flowers on the tree. This park has a This park has a carousel. Let's go this way, guys. So there's a carousel here. This is a very old carousel.
I don't think the carousel's open.
I'm not sure if it is or not. We'll have to look at the sign on the door.
What does it say?
It doesn't say anything about...
It's temporarily closed
Oh.
for repairs, and it's supposed to open up again in August.
Oh.
And it says that over here in this building is where there are some restrooms. And then there's a big playground over here.
Anybody need a bathroom break?
I think we're good. So there used to be a pool over here, and they took it all out.
Megan, look at pool. I should have brought.
Whoa, this playground looks awesome.
Want to go up to that tall
I should have brought a cat.
really tall. It's like 3 floors.
It looks like this is a splash pad.
Is it open?
Later.
Yeah, I think they turned the pool into like a splash pad. It doesn't look to be open or running right now.
They had big walls here and then they just took it out.
Yeah.
Took the walls out. And that is it. It's
That looks fun. So yeah, here's the John Chavis Memorial Park. Very cool park.
Well, I guess that's...
So they redid this whole playground. You can see the city of Raleigh in the background there. Beautiful. Let's go explore.
Are you ready? I'm going on the great slide, the super slide again. You go.
think we're about done here at the Chavis Park. We had a really fun time. Everybody's getting kind of tired. You guys getting kind of tired?
I'm not tired.
No, you want to stay?